Friends, there is no doubt that erectile dysfunction always makes a male embarrassed. Now, what is erectile dysfunction? In easy language, if male organ do not respond properly at the time of intercourse, now this type of conditions are generally called erectile dysfunction. Maximum male never share this to his partner or anybody else. But this type of problems are very common. Maximum males once in their lifetime definitely face the problem, and as the male not able to perform good on bed, automatically he will feel a psychological problem. This makes the relationship weak with his partner. But friends, if you do not have a serious health issue, then this is a very minor problem. You will find the solution in this video. As always, this will be very budget friendly, homemade and a gift from Mother Nature. And the solution for erectile dysfunction is raw spinach juice. But there is a problem, because you will not appreciate the taste of raw spinach juice. You don't need to worry. In this video we will discuss the way how to make the raw spinach juice tasty, which time will be better to drink and what will be the quantity. But before doing that, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to watch the video till the end. Now let us explain the very important point when erectile dysfunction happens. It may happen due to stress, anxiety or sleeping problem or high blood pressure. Now whatever the reason is, erection will not occur if there is a deficiency of nitrates in our body. Recent studies shows that combination of flavonoid and nitrates makes nitric oxide in our body. And if you have a higher number of nitric oxide, then blood circulation will automatically improve. And at the genital area also the blood circulation will increase. And because of high blood circulation, penis erection will maximum. And spinach is the best source of nitrates. So to increase the blood circulation at genital area, spinach plays very important role. But as I discussed earlier, raw spinach juice tastes very bad and you will feel like vomiting. And I know you are health conscious, that is why you are watching the video. So we will not add sugar or salt to make it tasty. And another gift of Mother Nature, that is ginger, will definitely appreciate it, as it will give a lovely refreshing flavor. Just add 25 gram of ginger with 15 to 20 leaves of spinach and make a juice. And if you have watched my earlier videos, you know already that ginger increases the testosterone and also improves sexual life. I have made a different video in this topic. You are requested to subscribe the channel and watch the video. So finally, what will be the best time to drink spinach juice? The answer is very simple. In any tiffin time you can drink it, but you need to remember that you should never drink it in empty stomach. Otherwise, you will face gas or acidity problem. And if you want to boil the spinach, you know already health benefits will be decreased. So raw spinach, or you can say natural Viagra, that is 15 to 20 leaves of spinach may solve the erectile dysfunction problem. So guys, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to share with your beloved people. Thank you for tuning Utopian Days.